Falls is the tallest plunge waterfall in India. Its height is 1,115 feet, that's about 340 meters. The waterfall is located at Sohra. Sohra is well known for being the wettest place on earth, but just recently nearby Mountain Ram hold that distinction. So today we wanted to shoot this magnificent waterfall, but it's rather a dull day, it's hazy, it's raining. We hope that we'll get some clear sky later. If not, we will come back another day. Finally, when we are just about to pack and go home, the sky cleared up and within 5 minutes we get to shoot some beautiful scenery. I hope we get beautiful shots.